Today, we're going to be talking about incorporating womb massage into your womb wellness practice, specifically during pregnancy. Womb massage is an integral part of womb health in general, no matter what stage of your journey you're in. So, whether that's during your menstrual phase, during pregnancy or postpartum, even if you are navigating the season of perimenopause and beyond. Womb massage is a great way to not only connect with your womb spiritually and energetically, it also has a ton of physical benefits that will support you in each of those stages. While we are moving through the Maiden to Motherhood immersive, we're going to be focusing specifically on womb massage during pregnancy. I will upload separate videos about how to incorporate womb massage during those other stages so that you can see some of the differences. But for the most part, this practice is going to be fairly similar no matter what you are using it for. Some of the benefits specifically related to pregnancy are: number one, it helps you to deepen your connection with your baby, and it also helps to stimulate the production of oxytocin. So this can really help with bonding with your baby, developing that connection, talking to them, nurturing them while they are in your womb. And again, it helps stimulate the production of oxytocin, which is really good during those late stages of pregnancy, helping your body to prepare for labor and stimulate those hormones that are needed for all of the rest of the physiological process of giving birth. Secondly, womb massage can help to ease with stress, and it can help to clear any sort of physical or emotional blockages that you're experiencing within your body. It helps to keep you grounded. As we know, sometimes pregnancy can be quite an emotional roller coaster. So incorporating womb massage just gives you that time to sit down, to go within, to process some of the emotions and weight that you have been carrying. And it can also help you just to come back to center during emotional overwhelm or feelings of anxiety. Womb massage can also help with any sort of abdominal discomfort, any type of cramps. Sometimes when your baby moves and it's uncomfortable, it can help with easing the muscle tension. It's also great for aiding in digestion, or if you are constipated, having a hard time with your bowel movements, then womb massage can help to stimulate those muscles and create space for gas to be released. It can help to reduce round ligament pain, which I also suggest pairing with the magnesium baths. If you haven't already, I have a post specifically on magnesium baths and the benefits of doing them while you are pregnant. So I will make sure to link that below so you can check that out. But it does help if you have any sort of pelvic girdle pain or any sort of pain in your pelvic area while you are carrying, especially during late pregnancy. It helps to promote circulation and blood supply to your baby as well as to the placenta, and that is an essential part of making sure your baby gets the minerals and nutrients and all the things that they need. And lastly, womb massage is great for just easing sore muscles and sensitive skin. So as your belly starts to grow and expand, it can be very helpful for easing some of the tightness and the tension that you might feel with some of your muscles and your skin. And of course, you can do a womb massage with just a simple oil by itself, whether that's coconut oil or jojoba oil, whatever oil you choose. They all have their different benefits, so you can look even deeper into that and the type of benefits that the specific oil you're choosing has. Or you can take it another step further and you can even infuse your oil with certain herbs, and that helps to boost their healing properties depending on what herbs you choose. So later this month, I will have another video demonstrating how to infuse your oils so that you can incorporate them into womb massage or make body butters or whatever you would like to do. And so we'll dive more into that later. But for now, some of the herbs that are really good to incorporate into your womb massage are lavender, chamomile, calendula, or even red rose petals. And they all have their own physical and energetic benefits as well. For example, lavender is really good for rest and relaxation and easing the muscles. Chamomile is also a great muscle relaxer. It helps to soothe aches and pains. It's really good for sleeping. So if you deal with any sort of insomnia during any of the stages of your pregnancy, then chamomile is great for that as well. And it also helps to boost digestion. If you have any sort of digestive issues, heartburn, indigestion, anything like that, incorporating chamomile and rubbing it on some of the specific areas that we'll get into in just a second can be very helpful. Calendula is actually one of my favorites. In addition to helping to ease sore muscles and muscle tension, it is great for promoting skin elasticity, which means it can help to prevent stretch marks. And if that is something you are concerned about, then infusing your oils with calendula might be something you want to consider. And red rose petals is one of the most beautiful herbs when it comes to womb work. It helps to promote the heart womb connection. It's great for toning the uterine muscles. So, especially in late pregnancy, as you are preparing for labor, it can be very good. You can also use it for perineal massage as well. Energetically, it is also a beautiful herb for just connecting with your womb, connecting with your baby, and releasing any sort of emotional heaviness. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of my favorite techniques for womb massage during pregnancy. And of course, you can listen to your body. Let your hands guide you and show you what areas are holding a lot of stress or tension, and don't overthink it. While you are doing your womb massage, this is a great time to just sit in your meditation. You might want to incorporate some sound healing frequencies or even use this time to just visualize your birth and feeling safe, feeling grounded during that time. Use it to set your intentions, not just for your birth, but also for all that you are birthing into the world during this time of your life. So, with that, let's go ahead and get into the actual practice. So, of course, you want to start with your oil of choice. You want to make sure that your skin is nice and smooth and moisturized. Go ahead and apply that directly to your belly. And we're going to rub that in nice circular motions all over your womb space. This just helps warm up your skin and it just makes it easier to perform your massage. So I like to start on my sides using my thumbs and just going down the sides of my belly. This is usually where we experience the most stretching, the most tension. And so as you rub your thumbs, starting from the top, going down towards your pelvis, this can really help to ease a lot of that tension. Then I like to move on to both sides of my abdomen. This is where we experience a lot of muscle tension. This can also be very helpful later on if you're dealing with diastasis recti, which is the separation of the abdominal muscles. So this really helps to prevent tension, tone the muscles, and you can do this starting from the top and moving in a downward motion, and you can scoop your belly as you come up. So from the pelvis, going up the abdominal muscles and up the sides. This helps to lift a lot of weight from off of your pelvis, and it can really help with pelvic girdle pain. And then I like to use my thumbs, squeezing in from the sides, going over the top of my womb and under my breast, and directly down the top of my womb. You can even pinch your thumbs together, and this really helps with digestion and making bowel movements easier. This can also help with releasing any trapped gas. And from here, you can really just use different circular motions over the top of your belly. This is especially helpful if your baby is in any sort of awkward position that's causing you discomfort. It can help them to shift and move into a more comfortable position. You can spend as much time as you like with these different variations. As always, I love to end my massage with gentle lifts to my womb to help ease some of that weight, and then some strokes down the side as I close out my womb massage.